Hello everyone, so let's continue now with the second part of the lesson, converse of the theorem of the perpendicular bisector of a segment. So let's read the given information. AB equals 8 centimeters. So we have a segment AB of length 8 centimeters. We have 2 points C and A such that CA equals CB. The distance from point C to point A is the same as the distance from point C to point B. So C, we say, instead of saying C is at equal distance from A and B, we say C is equidistant from the 2 points A and B. And since A and B are the two extremities of the segment AB, so C is equidistant from the extremities of the segment AB. Same for point D. DA equals DB equals 5 centimeters. So D is equidistant from the extremities of the segment AB. So the theorem says, the converse of the theorem says, every point which is equidistant from the extremities of a segment, so C and D are both equidistant from the extremities of segment AB, belongs to the perpendicular bisector of this segment. So they are telling us in the theorem that the 2 points C and D belongs, it means they are located, they are on the perpendicular bisector of this segment, of segment AB. Let's verify. Let's draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, and let's prove that the 2 points C and D are in fact on the perpendicular bisector of AB. It means if I draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AB, let's see if this perpendicular bisector will pass through the 2 points C and D. So let's use our compass to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. I put the needle on one of the two extremities. I start with A, and I open my compass equal to more than half of AB. I can visually tell if I opened it more than half of AB. Once I do so, I draw an arc of center A and radius more than half of AB. Now I keep the same radius and I draw another arc of center B by putting the needle on B. I keep the same radius and I draw another arc. These two arcs, if you notice, they will meet, they will intersect at 2 points. This is the first point of intersection. This is the second point of intersection. Now let's draw a line passing through these 2 points. Once I draw the line passing through these 2 points of intersection of the 2 arcs, you will notice that this line, this perpendicular bisector of AB, will pass through point C and through point D. So every point which is equidistant from the extremities of a segment, here we have point C and point D, they are both equidistant from the two extremities A and B of segment AB, and both points C and D, they are located, they belong, they are on the perpendicular bisector of the segment AB.